So as you guys can see, I'll be wandering the forest alone. Let's go. I'll be wandering the forest alone now. Shit, there's two ways. Oh, you guys can see this 360. Oh shit, yeah, guys. What up, cuz? There's nothing much here, only you know, some grass. Y'all need to touch some grass, cuz. Know what I mean? Some stick. Oh no, man. Oh, it's so fucking hot. I'll see you later. You might be tripping, no? Hell no. May nakita pala ka dyan kapatid. And all y'all don't out there, cause this is a fucking snake. Oh yeah. Fresh blood. Let me see. Let me see the head. Whoa. Whoa, shit. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh shit. Look at that shit, cuz. I know you don't see this. Right, bro? Shit. Smells like bloody hell. Oh, where a guy at? Dito may frogs dito kagabi. No, I know y'all ain't talking shit. I know y'all ain't talking shit. We must be wondering.
Ilagay mo kaya sa
It's not that dangerous. It's not that dangerous.
Weapons na wala yung ahas.
Y'all saying, peace out.
Muntik lang madulas. At bakit kasama mo rin sa baka na mag-post yung kunay, nadulas siya. Hindi, ikaw comment ka sa comment section. Nadulas pa nga ako, muntik na eh. Sigal dami yun. Ako sa sinasama. Tatakal.
Paano?
Diyan sila, diyan lalabas yung mama.
Go.
Go.
Nag-uwi man tayo ng mga 7, 8. Ata na. Yung bridge na, para maliwanag.
Hindi natin maabutan yung ano dun. Mawalan tayo ng gas bigla sa bigla.
Yun ang problema.
Ma, bakit po? Bayan ito po yung
Matatanggap din naman mga kapatid natin yan.
Okay na ako. Oo. Pa-picture ako.
Nangrata. Persona nangrata. Uso pala yung gano'n, no? Pwede pala yun, no? Magbaban ka ng tao, no? Pwede pala yun.